So Motorola dropped its latest smartphone yesterday, the Edge S. The Motorola Edge S is the first Snapdragon 870 smartphone, and it not only packs a punch in terms of performance, but it also tops it with a big battery capacity, a total of 6 cameras and a starting price of $310. So today we will talk about the Motorola Edge S. I am Shafat and you are watching Tech Bytes. Don't be fooled by the name Edge. The Motorola Edge S does not have a curved display. The screen is flat and is home to a double hole punch for dual front cameras. However, the back of the phone is curved and it is home to 4 cameras, which is arranged in fashion similar to a gas cooker. The phone has an NVCM coating and is available in 2 colors, Emerald Glaze and Emerald Light. The Motorola Edge S has a 6.7-inch LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. The display will be Full HD Plus and the pixel density will be 409 ppi. It will support HDR contents and has DCI-P3 color gamut. The Snapdragon 870 brings an improvement in performance over its predecessors. Its CPU performance is said to be 12% higher than that of the Snapdragon 865, while GPU performance has increased by 10%. According to Motorola, the Edge S scores higher than the Mi-10 on AnTuTu. That high score is not only due to the new processor but also as a result of the turbo LPDDR5 RAM, which is 72% faster than LPDDR4, and also the UFS 3.1 storage, which is 25% faster than UFS 3.0. The 4 cameras on the back includes a 64 megapixel primary camera, a 16 megapixel ultra wide that also doubles as a 2.8 cm macro lens, a 2 megapixel depth sensor, and a TOF camera that has a light ring around it. The front cameras are 16 megapixel sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. The camera packs a number of features including a vlog mode, night mode, and a CA record in 6K video at 30 fps and in 4K at 60 fps. The phone also has audio zoom, so you can get in closer to the source of a sound when recording, just as you would zoom in with a camera to get closer to your subject. The Motorola Edge S does not come with a Z UI, but it comes with an interface called MyUI, which is based on Android 11. Motorola says it is lighter and more efficient. It has its own assistant called Moto AI, and it has all the Motorola's famous gestures. Motorola Edge S has an audio jack and a USB-C port that charges the 5000 mAh battery at 20 watts. It also has an IP52 rating, dual SIM support, Bluetooth 5.1 and dual frequency GPS. The starting price of Motorola Edge S is $310. For this price you will get 6GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage, which is insane for this price tag. On spec sheet, it is definitely a flagship killer. So this was the specs review of Motorola Edge S. Thanks for watching and please do subscribe.